Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about the successor and predecessor. Successor means next number. Predecessor means before number. Pre means before. Can you remember that one? So let us see the first point. When 1 is added to a number, we get its successor. If you add 1 to any number, you will get the successor of that number. That is after number. See the next one. When 1 is subtracted from a number, we get its predecessor. You have to subtract 1 from any number, you will get its predecessor. That is before number. I am telling again. When 1 is added to a number, we get its successor. That is after number, next number. So next one, when 1 is subtracted from a number, we get its predecessor. Predecessor means before number. Okay. Next, you can see the fill-ups. First one, the successor of 4576 is dash. See this number, 4576. Successor means you have to add 1 to this number. So 76 plus 1 is what? 77. So the next number is what? 4577. So listen carefully. See the first one. The successor of 4576 is dash. See this number, 4576. You have to find out the successor of this number. Successor means you have to add 1 to this number. That is next number. Here, see this 76 is there. One sentence is what? 76. You have to add 1 to this number. You will get 4577. Is it clear, students? The successor of 4576 is 4577. So next number. See the next second one. The predecessor means what? Before number. Predecessor of 8970. So you have to subtract 1 from this number. So before number is what? Here see the one sentence, that is 70. So 70 minus 1 is what? 69. So the answer, the predecessor of 8970 is 8969. Before 70 is what? 69. So the answer 8969. See the third one. 999 plus 1 equals dash. You have to find out the next number of 999. So next number of 999 is what? 1000. That is successor of this number. See the next one. 10,000 minus 1 equals dash. 10,000 minus 1. That is you have to find out the before number. That is predecessor of 10,000. That is what? 9,999. Before 10,000 is what? 9,999. So the answer is 10,000 minus 1 equal to 9,999. See the next one. The predecessor of the smallest 5-digit number is dash. What is the smallest 5-digit number? That is 10,000. Smallest 5-digit number is what? 10,000. Predecessor of 10,000. That is what? Same answer. 9,999. The predecessor of the smallest 5-digit number is 9,999. Is it clear, students? Students, let us try this. Next one, see the heading. Find the place value of underlying digits you have to find the place value of the underlined digits. See the first sum, 38,41,567. Now see this number, which one is underlined here? 8 is underlined. So you have to count the place value one by one. See the last one, 7. 7 is what? Ones. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Next is lakh. So the place value of 8 is what? Lakh. 8 lakh. Answer is 8 lakh. See the next one, 94 lakh 43,810. The same like you have to count the place value, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Here 4 is underlined. So place value of 4 is what? 10,000. Answer is 4 10,000. 4 10,000. Is it clear, students? See the next Roman number, second one. Write down the numerals and place value of 5 in the numbers represented by the following number names. See the first one. You have to write the numerals here. Now let us read the first sum. First one is 47 lakh 38,561. So here you have to write the numerals. First one is what? 47 lakh. So the answer is 47. Put comma. The next one, 38,000. So you put 38,000. Next, 561. 561. Now let us find the place value of 5 here. See this. Place value of 5 is what here? 5 is in 100. So the answer 500. Right. Now let us see the second sum. 9 crore 82 lakh 50,241. So first one is what? 9 crore. So put the 9 here, put the comma. Next one, 82 lakh. So 82 lakh. Next, 50,000. 50 means what? 5 and 0. 50,000. Next one, 241. 241. Now let us find out the place value of 5 here. So what is the place value of 5 here? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So here the place value of 5 is 10,000. 5 10,000. So next, third one. See the third sum. 19 crore 57 lakh 60,370. Let us see this one. First, 19 crore. So 1 9. Comma. Next one, 19 crore 57 lakh 5 7. 57 lakh. 60,000. 60,000. 57 lakh 60,000. 60 0. 60,000. 370. 377 0. Now let us see the place value of 5 here. Let us tell the place value one by one. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So place value of 5 is 10 lakh. Here 5, 10 lakh. Okay students, is it clear? Okay students, listen carefully. I am telling once again. See the first Roman number. Find the place value of underlined digits. So see the first one. Here 8 is underlined. So the place value of 8 is lakh. See the second one. 4 is underlined. So the place value of 4 is 10,000. So second Roman number, write down the numerals and place value of 5. See the first one, 47 lakh, 38,561. Here place value of 5 is what? Ones, tens, hundred. So the place value of 5 is 500. See the second one. See the second one, 9 crore 82 lakh 50,000 241. See here the place value of 5, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. The place value of 5 is 10,000. So the next third one. See the third one. 19 crore 57 lakh 60,000 370. So the place value of 5 is here 10 lakh, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So the place value of 5 10 lakh. Is it clear students?